Hello and welcome dear traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is January 18 and we're starting from euro-dollar pair with Jakub Novak. Inflation data in the Eurozone matched the forecast, while the speech of ECB President Christine Lagarde helped the pair recover from another unsuccessful attempt to consolidate at the weekly low. Today, data on the ECB's current account balance will come out, followed by the minutes of the meeting from the ECB. The latter will be quite interesting, but markets will most likely continue to listen to the statements of Lagarde today. Long positions buy euro when the quote hits 1.0909. And take profit at the price of 1.0938. Growth will occur in continuation of the correction, following strong data from the Eurozone. When buying, make sure that the MACD line lies above zero, or rises from it. Euro can also be bought after two consecutive price tests of 1.0891, but the MACD line should be in the oversold area. As only by that will the market reverse to 1.0909 at 1.0938. For short positions, sell euro when the quote reaches 1.0891 and take profit at the price of 1.0859. Pressure will return in case of a failed consolidation at the daily high. When selling, make sure that the MACD line lies under zero or drops down from it. Euro can also be sold after two consecutive price tests of 1.0909, but the MACD line should be in the overbought area this time. As only by that will the market reverse to 1.0891 and 1.0859. The next stage of our review is the next major. It's time for GBPUSD. Tian Liao describes. The GBPUSD currency pair bounced off the lower boundary of the sideways channel 1.2600, 1.2800 with surgical precision. As a result, there was an increase in the volume of long positions on the British pound, which led the quote to return to the average level of the flat at 1.2700. On the 4-hour chart, the RSI is similarly moving in the same cycle, in accordance with the price fluctuation within the flat. Initially, we saw the touch of the oversold area at 30, followed by a rebound to the average level of 50. On the same time frame, the alligator's MAs are moving in accordance with the boundaries of the price channel. There is no deviation at this stage. In this situation, trading within the boundaries of the sideways channel continues. The strategy based on the method of the price bouncing off one or another boundary of the flat remains relevant among market participants. However, note that a flat is only a temporary manifestation of the market, which leads to the accumulation of trading forces. Eventually, impulsive price jumps will occur, leading to its consolidation and conclusion and indicating the subsequent movement in the market. For this reason, it's always worth considering a strategy based on breakout tactics. The comprehensive indicator analysis in the short-term and intraday periods indicates an upward trend in the structure of the channel. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Dimitrios Tsoupas. Early in the European session, gold is trading around 20.09, below the 21 SMA and below the 200 EMA. We can see on the 4-hour chart that gold has been trading within the bearish trend channel forming since December 26. Yesterday it reached the bottom of this channel, around the 20.01. The fall of gold accelerated after it broke the 200 EMA, located at 20.30. Failing to consolidate above this level, we saw a strong downward acceleration with the price reaching the low of 20.01. One factor weakening the stronger gold was the good retail sales data from the US, which pushed up Treasury bond yields, and in turn, this weakened the strength of the gold. We invite you to review our previous analysis regarding gold. Yesterday, we indicated strong selling pressure supported by technical indicators, and we saw that we obtained good results. If gold consolidates above the psychological level of 2000 USD in the next few hours, we could expect a technical rebound, and the price could reach the EMA at 20.29. If this scenario occurs, it could be seen as an opportunity to buy with targets at 2010, 2018 and 2029. A stop loss should be placed in case gold falls below the psychological level. If gold drops below the psychological level of 2000 USD, we could expect a strong bearish acceleration, and the instrument could reach 3.8 Muri at 1968. But due to the oversold levels, there will likely be a technical rebound above the psychological level of 2000 USD for the next few days. What about cross-currency pairs? For example, EURGBP. We've got a mid-term trading plan for this instrument. Arif Mokmor explains. On the 4-hour chart of the EURGBP cross-currency pair, you can see the appearance of the deviation pattern between the price movements and the MACD indicator, and the appearance of the Ichimoku projection Y-wave pattern, so that in the near future EURGBP is predicted to strengthen with a level of 0.8619 will be the target to be aimed at, and if the level is successfully penetrated, the 0.8635 level will be the second target to be aimed at. But this strengthening scenario will become invalid if on its way to the target level a weakening correction suddenly occurs, which penetrates below the 0.8568 level. And finally, here's Laurie Bailey with USDJPY currency pair forecast. Let's have a look. The pair demonstrated strong growth in the past 3 days, and even reached the target level of 148.35. At this point, the Martin oscillator on the daily chart indicated a reversal. It remains uncertain whether the pair will fall into a correction or a medium-term decline. Nevertheless, growth will hold at 149.30 price channel on the weekly chart, and 149.72 target level determined by the peaks of November 22-24. In the case of a correction, the pair will find support at the MACD line and the level 146.24. Consolidation below these level will lead to a decline towards the target level indicated on the chart. On the 4-hour chart, the Marlin oscillator shows the beginning of a reversal, while the MACD line, which the price must overcome to confirm its intention, remains downward. The decline of the pair will not be rapid in the form of a triangle, and this will allow the MACD line to approach the price. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.